Bhopal gas disaster. Exxon Valdez. The Gulf of Mexico disaster. The blast at Amue refinery, Venezuela. Disasters in industrial projects can have critical consequences. They can cripple companies, ruin reputations, and most importantly, cost hundreds of human lives and cause irreparable damage to the environment. Unlike an earthquake or flood, however, these disasters are preventable. One of the ways you can improve safety is by ensuring the quality of your piping. For example, in the energy sector, pipes have to carry steam and fluids ranging from 200 to 650 degrees centigrade and at very high pressures. A single leak can have catastrophic effects. Over the next few minutes, we hope to show you how to make informed and aware choices regarding piping. One of the biggest risks customers face is dealing with spurious material. In many ways, buying a pipe is much like buying a medicine. Let's take an example of a life-saving drug from an internationally reputed brand and a generic drug. The two are identical, both chemically and visually. But we pay a much higher price for the branded drug because it comes with a guarantee of reliability and so peace of mind. Because human life and safety are on the line, you want to be sure that you have the best product with the highest standards of quality. The difference, though, is that while a counterfeit medicine may cost one life at a time, a counterfeit pipe can claim hundreds of lives at a single stroke. There are certain unscrupulous practices that are commonly used in counterfeit pipes. The knowledge we are about to share with you will enable you too to catch out unscrupulous methods and keep a watchful eye for counterfeit pipes. The first and most important sign of fraud to look out for is the reselling of rejects or project surplus pipes. Sometimes a pipe can have faults that are hard to detect, such as an internal crack which may expand over a period of time. Through their quality standards, manufacturers are able to reject flawed pipes. The flawed pipe may be rejected due to a mix-up at the project site, failure in non-destructive testing, or rejection by the mill directly. Because the steel is still valuable, the pipes are sold as scrap metal to traders. However, often unscrupulous traders buy these rejected pipes from scrap merchants at an extremely cheap price, rework and re-stencil them. Since stenciling is the only way of identifying a pipe, unscrupulous traders can fake the pipe's identity by simply sandpapering over the original stencil and replacing it with a fraudulent one. To supplement this, false documentation is created using image editing softwares. The rejected material is finally sold to the customer for a lower price than that of the genuine stockist. The customer thinks he has made a saving. But has he really? The innocent customer is left with a potentially hazardous pipe. While the unscrupulous dealer has walked away with a huge profit. The second and most popular type of fraudulent trade practice is swapping a pipe's source of origin. Due to the criticality of the application, customers and end users have definite quality requirements for their piping. Leading consultants and OEMs have evaluated and recommended brands that have been relied upon time and again and whose track records have been proven over a period of time. Say, for instance, a pipe in a critical system area may need to be specifically from only Japanese or European origin. To be sure of the quality, a genuine stockist will go through a thorough process to obtain these materials. However, the customer may feel this is too long a lead time and may approach another trader. The unscrupulous trader tells the customer, "Mil jayega, sir ji," for anything and everything. However, the trader knows just as well as the genuine stockist that quality pipes require a lead time. Thus, he will simply take pipes from a different source of origin and sell them after re-stenciling them and forging the documentation. The customer thinks he is paying a premium for a high-quality product, whereas in actuality he has been cheated into paying a vastly inflated price for a poorer quality material. While these practices are common in the market, with knowledge and awareness, you can make sure that you do not fall victim to unscrupulous dealers. The first and most important thing to understand is, why do these practices still work? Unlike human beings, for example, all pipes tend to look visually the same. Internal faults in the material are also very difficult to spot. As most checks look at only the ends of a pipe, faults in the middle of the pipe often go unnoticed. Furthermore, random checking of pipes means that defective pieces can also go unnoticed due to sheer bad luck. Unscrupulous traders will often produce only the test certificate in order to assure the client that the pipe is genuine. But, as you now know, these test certificates can be easily forged or duplicated. To make sure that he is not cheated, the customer's main focus should be on the background of the stockist and the traceable documentation, rather than simply the easily forged test certificate. From our experience in the industry, we recommend the following criteria in a stockist's background check: years of experience, past supply records, accreditations, infrastructure, quality certifications, actual stock available, clientele appreciation letters, traceable documentation, which can be verified by insisting on original mill test certificates, total consumption reports, supplier endorsed certificates, correlated heat number, and manufacturer's name on the supplier invoice. If further proof is needed, we recommend that you get direct confirmation from the manufacturer himself and insist on the seller providing traceability, linking all documents from origin to end user. At times, going with an established, genuine stockist can lead to paying a slightly higher price and occasionally longer lead times. But can you truly put a price on peace of mind? Allow us to show you the Evergreen Advantage.